ang barberetera ng Buhi Camarines Sur,
Crystal Velasquez! Under the rooms in Chelsea, she wasn't what you call the watching flower. It's a moment she went to buy flower. For play she tight and it was came to stick her. Well, not what comes from which builds the rigor. Yes, late tonight, look away. Ever seen, I love and sing to this very day. I remember how she turns to me and say, "What good is it all alone in your room? Come, hear the music." Life is so good.
superb performance coming from contestant number 12.
Crystal Velasquez from Buhi, Camarines Sur.
Grabe naman yan ba?
Wow, grabe.
Talagang ang dami mong pinaon galing sa Buhi, Camarines Sur.
Yes, still having goosebumps right now, partner.
Yes. Ilang taon mo nang ginagawa yun ba?
Bali po, almost 20 years na po.
Almost 20 years. Ayan. Kitang-kita naman, no? Okay. So, ano na yung so far yung pinakamataas mong achievement sa singing
Tarangan
contest?
ng music. Bali po, tawag ng tanghalan, tsaka po, Riyadh Singing Idol po. Saudi Arabia.
Ayan. Nag-Riyadh Singing Idol naman
Kaya naman pala, partner.
At nagtawag ng tanghalan
Parang
din.
pinapit natin yung performance.
Yes. Iba, yung beat, di ba? Yung level of difficulty. Basta.
May judgment. Host now.
Okay, opo. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 12 from
Yes.
Buhi, Camarines Sur. Palakpakan
Crystal
naman po.
Velasquez, ladies and gentlemen.
Eh,
Top 10 finalists for tomorrow's final. The first finalist. Please step forward. Contestant number 3. Congratulations! Pasok ka sa top 10. Contestant number 22, John Christian Provinciado. Another, we have contestant number 4, Nickmar Ramirez. Congratulations na ipasok ka sa top 10, Martha P. Flores, contestant number 21. Another, pasok sa top 10. Contestant number 5, Beats Pianyar. We still have 5 more. At ikaw yun, contestant number 19, Daryl Tamayo. We have 4 more left. Close your bed. Anong number? Number 10, Sean Ray Avila. Three more left. Sino kaya? Ikaw yun, number 13, Jazel Atacador. Jazel Atacador. Dalawa na lang. Sino sa palagay nyo ang hindi pa natatawag na bet ninyo? Meron pa ba? Meron pa dahil pasok ka, Crystal Velasquez of Buhi, Camarines Sur. Number 12. finalist but not the least. Isa na lang ba? At ikaw yun! Ikaw ang mapalad! Chris Alivio! Contestant number 11, congratulations! At sa ating mga non-winners, punta po kayo kay Sir John Briela. At doon po para makuha ninyo ang inyong consolation prize. Thank you very much at good evening.
Once again, thank you so much and congratulations to our top 10 finalists!
Congratulations!
What a competition partner to start the celebration of our annual Barangay Poblacion Fiesta. And maraming salamat to our board of judges.
Yes.
See you again tomorrow.
Yes, damo-damo na salamat.
Once again, a big round of applause for all our amazing semi-finalists. Tonight, you have proved that Bicol and Masbate are truly home to incredible talent, powerful voices, and unstoppable passion for music.
This may be the end of our semifinals, but this is not the end of the journey. From those performances, only the top 10 finalists will rise, and tomorrow they will face the ultimate challenge in the grand showdown of our Barangay Fiesta Singing Contest.
So don't miss it. Come back tomorrow. Bring your cheers, your energy, and your full support as we witness who will be hailed this year's champion.
Yes! Once again, thank you to our judges, organizers, barangay officials, and of course, to all of you for celebrating with us here at the Poblacion Palanas Barangay Fiesta Celebration.
Good night, everyone, and see you tomorrow for the grand finals. I am Mr. Mark Louis Clemens.